fat, weak lower abs, and lack of core strength. These three silently eat away at your confidence. But today, I'm going to tell you about an exercise that will destroy all three at once. It's called leg raises. Most people think you need to do endless crunches to build abs, but the truth is, crunches only do half the job. If you want strong lower abs like a six-pack, you need to put leg raises at the very top of your workout list. This exercise not only targets your lower abdominal muscles, but also strengthens your hip flexors, core, and lower back like steel. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and arms at your sides, or place your hands under your hips for support. Keeping your legs together, slowly raise them until they're at a 90-degree angle with your body. Slowly lower your legs back down in a controlled manner, but don't let them touch the ground. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Builds the strongest lower abs, improves core stability, enhances posture and reduces lower back strain. No equipment needed. You can do it anywhere. Always move slowly and with control, otherwise the muscle impact will be reduced. Don't let your lower back arch. Keep it pressed to the floor. Beginner, slightly bend your knees. Advanced, add ankle weights for double the burn and pump. Friends, remember, abs aren't built in the gym. They're built through your discipline and consistency. If you do leg raises daily and follow the right diet, in just a few weeks you'll see in the mirror the abs you've only dreamed of. Like this video, share it with your fitness partner, and don't forget to subscribe for powerful workout tips every day.